I think of a number. I then divide that number by 3, subtract 4, and the result is 20. The number I think of is an unknown, so let's call it x. Let's think about what I do to x. I take x and I divide it by 3. I can write that as x over 3. I then subtract 4. The result is 20. So this is equal to 20. Remember, when there's more than one step, a rule of thumb is that we can take BIDMAS and work it in reverse order. The subtraction here can be dealt with first. The division, x divided by 3, is dealt with second. To deal with the minus 4, we add 4 to both sides. Remember, do the opposite, and even more importantly, remember to do the same thing to both sides of the equation. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0, so we're left with x divided by 3. 20 plus 4 is 24. So now we have x divided by 3. Do the opposite. Multiply by 3. We need to do the same to both sides of the equation. 3 divided by 3 is 1, leaving us just with x. 3 times 24 is 72.